So today we are going to learn about how to make this beautiful charm bracelet. This is purely antique collection and also giving a vintage kind of look with a lot of green glass bead charms and also some bronze colored charms. So let's learn how to make them. For this we require about 7 inches of metal chain which is in bronze color what I have taken. Make sure you have hoops like this for this so that we can hang the charms quickly and without any difficulty. So take around 7 inches of this. Also you require a lobster clasp. You require some jump rings. I have taken every material in antique bronze color. I have head pins. I have some brass beads. I also have some green colored glass beads and also some charms in bronze color. You can take any of the colors. If your choice is pink, you can take pink. You can take mix of color. You can alternate it with other colored metal charms. For this project, I have taken bronze colored because I am looking at an antique look to the whole thing. So, okay, to begin with, we are going to attach the clasp to the chain what is given. So, for which I am taking a jump ring. So, while opening the jump ring, always try to open it towards you. Hope you can see that, and also close it back in place. So let's start making the chain. So for this I have taken the chain. To one end of it I'm attaching the jump ring and also I'm attaching the lobster clasp and then I'm closing. So we have a lock for it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my head pins. So the first thing is to make glass bead charms for the charm bracelet. So I'm going to make the glass bead charms. So for that I have taken the head pin. I have put on a brass bead. I have put on my glass bead. I have again put on my brass bead. You can use any kind of spacer instead of the brass bead. Here I'm just making it very simple. I'm just using basic brass bead for this in antique color. So I have made one. Now we will go ahead and make the others. So mostly I have taken about 7 to 8 glass beads, 7 to 8 charms. So about 7 inches of this kind of chain, you require about 14 charms, 14 to 15 charms. So let me go ahead and make this. I have finished making my glass bead charms. Now I have to start attaching each of them alternatively. So for this I'm again taking my flat nose plier. I'm taking my jump ring, opening in the same way I showed you. So we are going to take it alternatively. So you have to look at these loops and start attaching the charms alternatively. So we are going to leave the first loop and we are going to start from the second loop. We are attaching the glass bead first and then we are closing it. Going to attach the second one. And this is going to be my brass. And this is going to be my antique charm. Again, we are going to go ahead and fix the glass bead. Now, this is going to give you a very narrow and spaced out charm bracelet, but in case if you all like it to be bulky, you need to fill in the spaces in between as well, so that it gives you a bulky look to the charm bracelet. Now for this charm bracelet, I'm going to do the alternative way. It's the best practice to hold it this way so that you can see the loops clearly and you don't miss exactly where it goes. So just hold the lobster clasp between your finger and start doing it. And if you're progressing, then you need to keep the chain in between the fingers and start doing it. So now if you see this charm, we have the loop of this charm facing this way. So we need to make sure we are going to put 2 jump rings, because otherwise the direction in which it shows will be different. It will be sideways. So we want a straight look to it. So we are going to attach 2 jump rings to it, and we are going to attach to the chain. Just have enough of patience for the final look of this charm bracelet. You want to go ahead and use different colors of beads. It will add to the beauty of this bracelet, but at the same time, see that you don't use something which is totally off and which stands out, because this color gives you an antique look. So have that in mind, and check the color combinations, check what goes well with the antique look, what goes well with the bronze color, and then go ahead and use the beads. The last bead, we're going to put it to the end of the chain so that it hangs like a charm here. You can also go ahead and attach a few charms here. So this is the final look. This is how it has turned out to be. Go ahead and try it at your home. Try making different kinds of charm bracelets using different material. Let me know in the comment box how this has turned out from your hand. Do watch more videos. Also comment below if you have any doubts. If you want to know about the materials used, please do let me know. If you have liked the video, please do share your views. Thanks for watching.